Hey guys, Trey here from AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're checking out the BD Power Exhaust Manifold Kit designed specifically for the 2011 to 2016 F-150s that have the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. If you're looking to replace cracked or worn out factory manifolds with something more durable and better performing, this kit is definitely worth considering. This is going to be a direct replacement for stock manifolds and addresses some common issues like cracking or warping due to the intense heat cycles of turbocharged engines. Made from a high silicon ductile iron, these manifolds resist thermal fatigue and offer better longevity compared to OEM designs. With smoother internal passages and an oversized porting design, it helps promote improved exhaust flow, which can contribute to more consistent turbo spool and overall engine efficiency. Pre-drilled holes for the pyrometer probes are another nice feature, and the manifold also includes these stainless steel mounting hardware and robust gaskets to ensure a reliable and secure installation. The kit is designed to be a bolt-on replacement, maintaining factory fitment while offering upgraded durability. And speaking of durability, this is constructed from silicone ductile iron. This manifold kit is built to withstand the extreme heat and pressure generated by the EcoBoost engine with a thick-walled casting and slip joints. The design reduces the likelihood of cracking and enhances the durability of the exhaust system. The included hardware and gaskets are engineered for longevity and a tight, leak-free seal. Now, as far as pricing goes on this is coming in right around that mid $400 price point. This is a solid investment for anyone needing a reliable replacement for damaged factory manifolds or simply looking to upgrade to a more durable option. The install is going to be pretty straightforward, but it does involve working in tight engine bay spaces, which can be a bit of a challenge. We're rating this only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and you should set aside at least 1 hour to get the job done. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for my review of the BD Power Exhaust Manifold Kit for the 2011 to 2016 3.5 liter EcoBoost F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.